Hi guys, welcome to Tech Like Tutorials. Today I am going to tell you how to get unlimited free Gmail accounts. You don't even need to create an account. So watch the video carefully till the end so that you don't have any problems. You will find a link in the description and comment box. So copy this link and paste in your browser. Then press the enter button. After that, an interface like this will appear in front of you. So click on join button and click on sign in with Google. Then you have to choose an account, so select an account and click on it. Then click on continue. After that, click on explore. Here you can see. After that, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Then scroll down, then find the format and click on it and select lab. Then wait for few seconds and scroll down, then click on duration and click on 1 to 8 hours. Then again an interface like this will appear in front of you, so click on search, then search Google Drive. Press enter button. Then scroll down. Here you can see Google Drive getting started. Click on it. Then an interface like this will appear in front of you. So in left side you can see start lab. Click on start lab. So here we can see that we have an email with the password. Now I will tell you how to log into this Gmail in your device. First of all, copy this Gmail here and open a new tab. Search Gmail. Click on your Google account profile. Click on add account and paste the email. Click on next and go to that page and copy this password and paste it here. Click on next. Click on I understand. Here you can see that email is login. Now you have to go there again to get unlimited Gmail accounts. When you are done with that Gmail, then you have to click on end lab and click on end lab, then click cancel and click on start lab again to get another Gmail. So here we can see that we have another account with the password. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then subscribe to this channel that you can keep getting helpful videos in future also. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.